Hello, my friend. Welcome back to English Unlocked Podcast. I'm your host, Brian. I'm very happy you're here today. In this episode, we are going to focus on 8 phrases you should stop saying and the natural, easy phrases you can use instead to sound like a native speaker. If you understand English, but sometimes struggle to speak naturally, this episode is perfect for you. I will speak slowly, repeat key phrases, and give you time to shadow my voice. Step by step, you'll practice speaking clearly and confidently, without stress. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders and get ready. By the end of this episode, your English will feel a little smoother, a little stronger, and a lot more natural. All right, my friend, let's get started. The first one, don't say, "I am fine, thank you." And you? This sentence is in many old books. I know that your teacher taught you this way. But let me tell you that native speakers almost never say it. Yeah, they don't use it at all. It sounds too formal, too stiff, too robotic. Let's learn a more natural way. Use this instead. I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm okay. How about you? Let's practice slowly. Repeat after me. I'm good, thanks. And you? Again. I'm good, thanks. And you? Now the second one. I'm okay. How about you? Again. I'm okay. How about you? Good. Let's practice with a little dialogue together. I say, "How are you?" You say, "I'm good, thanks." And you? Nice. Again. I say, "How are you today?" You? I'm okay. How about you? Perfect. This is how native speakers speak in daily life. Phrase 2. Don't say, "Please kindly." Yes, that's it. Many learners write this in emails. Please kindly send me the report. But please and kindly mean almost the same thing. So it sounds like please, please. Too formal. Too old-fashioned. Native speakers say it simply. Please send me the report. Or, could you send me the report, please? Listen first, then repeat. Please send me the report. Pause. Again. Please send me the report. Now the second one. Could you send me the report, please? Pause. Again. Could you send me the report, please? Great. Let's try a small practice together. I say, I need the report. You say, please send me the report. Good. Now another. I say, can you help me? You say, could you help me, please? Very natural, very polite, perfect for everyday situations.
Phrase 3. Don't overuse I think so. I think so is not wrong, but many learners use it too much. It can make you sound unsure or shy. Native speakers use different answers depending on how sure they are. Try these. Yes. I'm sure. Probably. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Yes. I'm sure. Probably. Let's try them in examples. I ask, is the class today? You say, yes. Good. I ask, are you ready? You say, I'm sure. Nice. I ask, will it rain today? You say, probably. Very natural. Again, slowly. Yes. I'm sure. Probably. Excellent. Phrase 4. Don't say how to say. Many learners say how to say this in English or how to say that in English. Yes, it's understandable, but it's not natural. It sounds like a missing piece in the sentence. Native speakers say, how do you say? Or, what's the word for? Let's repeat slowly. How do you say? And, what's the word for? Great. Now, let's practice. I say, you don't know the English word. You say, how do you say this in English? Nice. Another one. I say, you want to remember a word. You say, what's the word for this? Perfect. Now a little extra practice. I will give you a situation. You choose the correct phrase. Situation A. You want to ask for a word. How can you say? If you said, how do you say, you're correct. Situation B. You want the name of something. How can you? If you said, what's the word for, you're leveling up your English. Let's move. Phrase 5. Don't use very all the time. Very good, very big, very tired. These are okay, but they become boring. Native speakers often use a stronger word. Try these. Amazing, huge, exhausted. Repeat after me. Amazing, huge, exhausted. Let's practice with examples. I say, the movie was very good. You say, the movie was amazing. Nice. I say, the house is very big. You say, the house is huge. Great. I say, I am very tired. You say, I'm exhausted. Perfect. Let's repeat the words again. Amazing. Huge. Exhausted. Very good. Phrase 6. Don't say, I have a doubt. In some languages, doubt means question. But in English, doubt means I don't believe. So instead say, I have a question. I'm not sure about. Repeat. I have a question. I'm not sure about. Let's practice. I say, you don't understand the homework. You say, I have a question. Nice. I say, you want help with something. You say, I'm not sure about this. Good. Let's repeat again, slowly. I have a question. I'm not sure about. You're doing great.
Phrase 7. Don't say, according to me. According to is for information from others. News, studies, experts. Not for your own opinion. So say, I think. In my opinion. I believe. Let's repeat. I think. In my opinion. I believe. Good. Let's practice. I ask, what do you think about this? You say, I think it's good. Nice. I ask, what is your view? You say, in my opinion, it's better. Perfect. One more time, slowly. I think. In my opinion. I believe. Excellent. Phrase 8. Don't always say, no problem. No problem is okay, but if you say it all the time, it can sound like the person caused trouble. Native speakers also use, you're welcome, happy to help, anytime. Let's repeat. You're welcome, happy to help, anytime. Let's practice. I say, thank you for your help. You say, you're welcome. Again. I say, thanks for your time. You say, happy to help. One more. I say, thank you. You say, anytime. Great job. Let's do a longer practice. I will say a sentence that is not natural. You will say the natural version. Ready? 1. I am fine, thank you. And you? You say, I'm good, thanks. And you? Good. 2. Please kindly help me. You say, please help me. Or, could you help me, please? Nice. 3. I think so. For every question. You say, yes. Or, I'm sure. Or, probably. Great. 4. How to say this. You say, how do you say this? Perfect. 5. Very good. You say, amazing. Nice. 6. I have a doubt. You say, I have a question. Good. 7. According to me. You say, I think. Exactly. 8. No problem. You say, you're welcome, or happy to help. Wonderful. Take a breath, relax. You're doing amazing. Let's slowly review all 8 natural phrases. Say them with me. I'm good, thanks. And you? Please send me the report. Yes. I'm sure. Probably. How do you say? Amazing. Huge. Exhausted. I have a question. I think. In my opinion. You're welcome. Happy to help. Beautiful. Your English is growing every time you listen. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope you feel calm, confident, and proud of your English. Remember, learning slowly and clearly is powerful. If this episode helped you, subscribe to English Unlocked podcast so you never miss a new lesson. I recommend you watch the video on the right. It will help you a lot. I'm Brian. Take care, my friend. Keep practicing, and I'll see you on the next episode. Goodbye.